Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome back to the Millennial Investor and Lifestyle channel. Today's discussion or topic we're going to talk about is how dividend investing changed my life. And just wanted to do a quick video. For me, as you all know, hey, my name is Cordero Hudson. I work in HR. I've had many jobs. I've been a professional for about 10 years now. And dividend investing and investing changed my life because I want to say just a small story, not going to bore you. Back in 2015, I was laid off and I was trying to find my way. And when I was investing into my 401k and I started my dividend portfolio, yes, the rule number one is that when you're investing, yeah, you don't touch the money that you invest into because penalties and capital gains, short-term capital gains, et cetera, et cetera. But when I was laid off, I remember when I had, you see my portfolio now, but my portfolio was around 15,000 or to 20,000. And when I was laid off, I had money saved up because I normally save for a rainy day. But normally, it helped out because some of the dividends that I was being paid. Right now, you see, uh, last year of 2022, I had my portfolio produce $1,875, and I just used that money to really reinvest back into the portfolio. But I would say, oh, way back when, it wasn't. I think it was. I was only making about $1,000 per year, and I'm saying it's 1,000, right? But it really helped because I had money saved up. I would use that towards my rent, and then also I was receiving unemployment, and it was tough because I was in HR. It's highly competitive compared to other disciplines, and I had graduated school back in 2012, so I only really had 3 years of experience. When I came out of school, I was only making about 40,000 per year when I was back in Wisconsin. But when I relocated to Houston, I was really only making $15 an hour. So I was poor, struggling, and but I was making it work. But then when I got laid off, and I was laid off about 6 months because I was looking for a job, highly competitive. I really utilized the dividend income that I was getting, which was back then was like about $1,000. And I know you're not supposed to sell certain stocks, but because I was investing in the growth of certain stocks, I was able to capitalize on selling like Texas Instruments and Microsoft back in the day, which I would have kept in my portfolio now, because then those stocks would have been a lot, would have grew a lot more right now. But when you are struggling, you got to eat, and you, and you're a man, you know that no one's coming to save you. You got to pay your bills, you got to pay your rent or your mortgage, and you got to do what you got to do. So, uh, but the moment that really changed is for me. What I said with dividends changed my life is that after when I got my job, uh, my new job, and when I was promoted from like an HR generalist to HR manager, uh, for this logistics transportation company. When I was investing, I saw that like, wow, I had that baseline. It was just like with any new investor way back when. I was like, can you really make money in the stock market? The market is going down. I'm afraid I'm investing at the top part. But then I started to see where when I got promoted and my salary increased and I was able to allocate more money, I started to see that with a portfolio going from 20,000 to 25,000 to 35,000. Now my dividend portfolio is about 40,000 right now. And then my 401k was growing, uh, and then other portfolios begin to grow. And then you begin to see where when you start investing $250 per month, $400 per month, it begins to add up. And as you see now, uh, some people just, they talk, but I show my portfolio and show all the things that I'm investing into to show that I'm not only here just talking to talk, but I'm also walking the walk. And if I'm going to, promote and try to be inspiration for new up and coming investors, Gen Z, or even millennials who might not even believe in the market, or you have started investing, but you feel a little shaky because this past, I want to say, the whole year of 2022 has been, you know, on the slump where the Nasdaq is down over 20%. SP 500 is down like 17%. You feel discouraged. I invested into Bitcoin and Ethereum, and Bitcoin went from, me investing at the top, like 60 some thousand, 40 some thousand. Now it's like 15,000. That's just pretty scary because then you lost a lot of money. Imagine you invest in, $200 in Bitcoin and seeing it goes down. And now, I mean, if you got to just train your mind that on red days, it's buy days. I'll be fearful when people are running from the market. Red days like right now, well, except for the day before the market was green. But you understand what I'm saying. When it's red days, buy. When it's green days, taper some, nibble. Always have some dry powder. Dry powder is just extra income, money that you invest, that you don't invest all your money, so that on days where it's a sale, you can buy. But for me, uh, as a new investor, I would say the common issues and problems is that it's just getting started. When you have a portfolio of $500, $1,000, you have that fear in your mind that, man, my portfolio is not. I'm not seeing a dividend income as other YouTubers, and don't compare yourself against me or the famous YouTubers that I even watch and that motivate me, because they've been investing and they've been investing for years and they've been staying diligently. You don't have to make $100,000 to start investing or start making money. You can be making 30, 40,000. It all is just a mindset. And it's all about just doing it, because when you start doing it and you be consistent, you really see that after a while, it just investing becomes second nature. And when your dividend income right here begins to increase from $500 a year, $1,000 per year, $1,500 a year, almost close to $2,000 per year, then you start to realize, like, whoa, like this is real. So all in all, just wanted to share that story about why dividend, why dividend is important, but how dividend investing really changed my life for the better. And hopefully you use the stories as an inspiration to, uh, inspire you as well. Thank you.